What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today we're going to be doing shocks for my B series pickup truck. We went with XL KYB. These should be really very good. If you're wondering what tool it is, and it's going to be the 18 mil. Now you can use either 1/2 inch or whatever you want. And what we really need to do is basically uninstall that, and it's just two bolts on both sides, so 2 on this one, 2 on that one. Also, I forgot to mention, did some little painting off camera, painting the entire bottom. Looks pretty good, so let's get started. Alright, so we're underneath the truck and we just crack it loose. All we gotta do is just try to get it off. Now, if you have the same scenario that I got, it's very rusted. I got it. Holy crap. So we got that one off. Now we need to get this one off right there. Then that entire piece should come off. Alright. Now what you need to remember, the washer and then this plate, and then I think it just comes right out. So let's just get these 2 washers and plates off of this top one. There, we got it. Oh, a bushing's stuck on there. Looks like I gotta try to get that piece off. Alright guys, do not make the same mistake I did. I painted over my bushing when I was painting the underneath of the truck, and it got a little bit hard to get off. So we're going to now put our new one on, and let's see how this fits. Okay, so after a couple times of whacking it with a mallet, we got it all on there. Now we just need to put our washer things on here, and then our other washers, and then put our little bolt nuts back on. So we got our nut. We know this side is the one that goes on there. Okay, now we need to try to get this back on there. Alright, now we got it on there. We need to get the second one. I have an idea. Okay, so it appears that this bushing always gets stuck. That's a bad bushing. Okay, so the bottom one has rust on it, so I'm gonna get some sandpaper and just try to sand some of that off. I don't know if you guys can see this right now. Yeah, you can see it right there. So that one has rust all over it right about here, and that's gonna ruin the bushing if all of it is rusted over. So we gotta take some sandpaper and we're gonna get to it. Alright, so we got our sandpaper. Now what we really just need to do is just sand it down. Alright, so this time I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and do the bottom one first. So the top one's a lot easier. Actually, let me try the top one first on this one. We ran into an oopsie. So if you look at the shaft input right here, it kind of doesn't match up.
Oh, look at that, man.
Okay, so what we had to do in order to get it to fit is we had to take a jack. We had to jack it up. Now it's on there. Now the next thing we gotta do is need to put these little washers and plates back on. So if you're having trouble trying to line it up, get yourself a jack and some blocks and push up the leaf springs. So the bushings are most likely to flake off the paint that they are factory painted with. Alright, now we need to crank on this one until this one's tight, and then we're done. So we got our first shock on there. All looks good. And our second shock is now on there. If you see how much thread there is left, that's how much it should be on both sides, on all sorts. And now you have your shocks all done. Thanks so much for watching this video. By the way, this is the truck if you haven't seen the first video. So these are the old shocks, and you might as well just end up throwing these away. I'm definitely going to be doing that. And make sure all your bushings are in one. Push those back in, because you don't want to find those later and go, oh, what is this for? Is this needed? And so on. Okay, so after we got it on, we're done. We could toss these in the trash. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.